Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've got a long article, a news story, a Wikipedia page, a report, you don't have to read the whole thing. You can hand the link to ChatGPT and get the key points in about 20 seconds. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that on Android, using nothing but your browser and the ChatGPT app. Let's get into it. Swipe up from the bottom to open your apps, tap the search bar, type in Chrome, and open it on the article you want summarized. Here's my article open in Chrome. Now you don't copy the text, you copy the link, because ChatGPT can go and read the page itself. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, and in that menu tap Share. A panel slides up from the bottom showing the page title, and on the right-hand side of that card, there's a small copy icon. Tap it, and the link is on your clipboard. Now switch over to ChatGPT. Swipe up to open your apps again, search for ChatGPT, and open it. And here's the bit that matters. Before you paste anything, tap Search the Web, just above the message box. That's what lets ChatGPT actually go out and open your link, instead of guessing from what it already knows. Now press and hold on the message box. A little menu pops up with Paste, select All and Autofill. Tap Paste, and the whole web address drops straight into the box. Then, right after the link, type what you want. I'm typing, summarize this article in 5 bullet points. You can ask for anything here. A 1-paragraph summary, the key dates, the main arguments. Now tap Send, and give it a proper 20 or 30 seconds because it's genuinely opening that page and reading it. And there's the summary. 5 clean bullet points covering the size of the reef, the wildlife, the cultural history, and look underneath each one, there's a little Wikipedia tag showing exactly where that point came from. So let's recap. Open the article in Chrome, tap the 3 dots, tap Share, and hit the copy icon to grab the link. Switch to ChatGPT, start a new chat, and tap Search the Web. Then press and hold the message box and tap Paste. Type what kind of summary you want, and send it. The same trick works for news stories, research papers, and blog posts. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.